Hey, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today's little project is going to be fixing, I don't know if you can see that right there. I was mowing the yard a couple weeks ago, and this was sitting up by the barn, and when I went by the barn, I must have chucked a rock from the mower deck through the inside of the cab and hit the inside of the windshield, which is glass on my Can-Am Defender, what I call the farm truck. But I went and got a Permatex windshield repair kit to try and see if I can fix it, because it is, of all places, right in line with my eyeball view of all the places to hit it. Just like everything else I do, it's always right in line with my eyeballs. So yeah, so I'm gonna set the camera up and go through the steps on the instructions and see if this works or not. Hopefully it'll at least prevent any further cracking, because I called and priced this windshield $1,400. Well, I didn't call, I looked it up on the internet. Can-Am specific glass, safety glass, $1,499. So I called my insurance company to find out if it was covered under homeowners. And according to State Farm, I'm not responsible, something about I'm not liable for damage or something. I don't know. It seemed kind of off to me. I'll have to ask my agent guy about that a little more. I would have thought homeowners would have covered it. It's an accident. It wasn't like I did it on purpose. And, you know, but it is what it is. I'm going to go ahead and try to fix it. And I will put insurance on this machine after this, though, for glass breakage. I didn't know the windshield cost that damn much, but let's get to it. Okay, what they say I'm supposed to do is take this push pin. First thing is to take that and clean out loose glass or whatever. Clean loose glass out of damaged area with the push pin. Clean windshield around the damaged area with the alcohol towelette. Place the cloth near the bottom of the windshield below the damage. This may stop resin that might flow from the repair area. So I'm not really going to worry too much about that. It'll probably clean up. See, there's a little tiny rock rock chip right there. Must have been a pretty good sized rock, because it made a goofy looking thing. All right, now we take the aluminum, or the alcohol prep. Clean the area around it. I'm guessing this is so the next part works. Okay, we'll stick that back in the package in case I need to wipe down something else. Okay. It actually doesn't say let that dry, but it looks like it's, no, I can still see alcohol there. So I'm gonna get, I wonder if maybe I shouldn't put the camera on the outside. Right there. It's just a check. Okay, it seems dry. Take the adhesive disc, line up, let's see, peel the adhesive disc off of one side with the tab pointing upward in line with the hole. Round side off and stick it to the windshield, tab up. Okay. Peel off the other side of the adhesive disc, line up the pedestal with the adhesive disc, making sure the tab again points upward and matches the tab on the adhesive disc. So this is the pedestal right here. All right, the red backing's off. Now we press this against that. Okay. Remove the cap from the resin tube, away from painted surfaces and your face. Carefully cut the tip off approximately 1/8 inches to open the resin tube. It says place the resin tube stem 1/4 inch into the pedestal opening and carefully squeeze the tube to load resin into the pedestal. Once the tube is squeezed, remove the resin tube from the pedestal, wipe off any residual resin from the tip, replace the cap on the resin tube, and save any remaining resin for use in step 9. Okay. Cap ain't going back on this resin tube. It's a twist off. It's a twist off. So there's no cap, at least not right here. Okay, we've cut it off. Now it says to squirt this in there, but I have a bad feeling here. Take this syringe looking deal. It says make sure the plunger is pushed all the way into the syringe prior to use. Carefully and firmly twist the tip of the syringe into the pedestal and fit between syringe pedestal. The fit between the pedestal and the syringe should be tight. Okay, we're tight. It says pull it back to the lowest. allows the entire assembly. Let's see. Hold the syringe with one hand and gently pull upward with the other hand. Lock the plunger into the lowest indent setting by turning the plunger indent to the clip. Spring clip system will secure plunger in place. Allow entire assembly to sit for 10 minutes. Okay, we gotta leave that set for 10 minutes. It is 5:03, so 5:13, we will come back. I'm kind of worried that because this is on the inside of the windshield, that might affect how well this little apparatus works. I'm assuming you're drawing a vacuum on it or something, and I really don't know how it's not sucking the resin back in there. But anyways, that's it. So we'll wait till 13 after 5 and push it in. You're supposed to push this in to click on that detent, and then wait. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. So according to the directions, we need to push that plunger in and let it set from there. It said temporarily remove it, allowing air in it. Turn that. And now push and let it hold there. So it said hold there and let it set for 20 minutes. So we'll come back after 20 minutes. See what happens. Well, I took it off after the 20-minute set. Here. It still has a chip. I can feel it. I need to take the windshield out. I had a feeling, because the way the windshield is pitched on the inside, like if it was on the outside, the pedestal, the resin would flow down into the hole. Even though it was supposed to be forced in there by the plunger on that syringe, gravity would have pulled it down in there and pushed it out through there. So what I'm going to end up having to do is take the 4 bolts out of the top and the 2 out of the bottom there, and just lay it on a pair of sawhorses front side down, and then attempt to do it again and see what happens that time. But yeah, it is what it is, you know. Sometimes it works, sometimes I was taking a chance. I had a feeling it wasn't going to work, but what the fuck, I just was trying it out. Anyways, this has been a short video. Thanks for watching. If you watched, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends about me. Share, and subscribe. I'm up to 200 and I think 6 subscribers now. I'm going up, but I'm going slow. And I just want to get more subscribers. I'd like more feedback, blah, 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 all that shit. But again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.